doing some STEM projects with our virtual kids. These are elementary students who are usually on camera with their teachers, but today they're actually coming in with their families to do some STEM activities and for the teachers just to lay eyes on them in person because they don't always get to do that. When they're able to come in and see us in person, it's just a joy for everybody.
That's better. See how this foam expands?
STEM days are important because it gives the kids a chance to do hands-on activities. And you know, the acronym for STEM, you've got your science, your technology, your engineering, and your math. So putting all of that stuff together at a young age from kindergarten up to 5th grade, they're learning on their own level, but with the hands-on, they're actually learning what STEM really is.
Look at that.
Finally, yes.
Nice one.
As they're coming in, it's like their faces change. Their faces light up. They've got their parents with them that are also involved in the activities. And it's just a fun place to be. You can feel the fun and excitement in the room without saying anything. You can just feel it.